Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, heated mirrors, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.